Hey everybody, Matthew here at Earthworks talking about another fantastic winter annual. We have the Nemesias here. I have two different types, the blood orange and the cranberry right here. So we have some really nice, warm, sunny colors for our cooler winter beds in our landscape. The Nemesias get about 12 inches tall and about 12 inches wide. They get loaded with color. They come in lots of varieties of colors. Right now I have the oranges and the reds and some soft pinks in right now, but they do come in a multitude of colors. Throughout the wintertime, we begin planting these somewhere around November. A lot of it has to do with availability and temperatures here in Northeast Florida, and as you all know, our temperatures are much like a roller coaster coming out of summer, up and down, and also the same coming out of winter, up and down, and even during the winter, like, well, you know, it's like 65 degrees this morning, but you know, it could be 40 degrees tomorrow morning. So we do have these roller coasters, but the nice thing about these Nemesia is they'll take everything our winters throw at them. Just want to protect them if we have any freezing or sub-freezing weather. A light little frost cloth will help keep the flowers on, and they will persist. So start planting around November, and then they will bring us all the way until about June, and they will bring color and drama to your garden for many, many months.